We want to show the world the importance of caring, protecting, and preserving our environment. We need Colombian citizens to be aware and realize of how lucky we are to have about 1,900,000 hectares of paramos in our country. We must understand that it is vital for the future of human beings and that depends on us its care and survival, not only for the preservation of our generation but for future generations. Preserving the paramos should be of vital importance for us humans, because we all need to be conscious that if there is no water, there is no life.
Nowadays, we live in a world where natural resources are not enough to cover the whole world population needs. The environmental pollution is one of the greatest problems that the world is facing today, causing severe and irreparable damage to the earth. All this is affecting us and the future generations for the rest of their lives. 70% of the water we have comes from the paramos, which are a very important tropical wetland system, found from 3,000 meters of altitude, with sponge-like soils, uniquely adapted vegetation, wet grasslands, lagoons, and lakes that capture and retain water. The paramos act as a flood safeguard in the rainy season and as a steady source of water in the dry season.
The essence of our idea is to generate attention by the use of social media, most used by young people, and to generate awareness, telling and showing them how important the paramos are for our society and for the regeneration of water and the future. Then, with different activities, we are going to show them the importance, the real importance of these paramos in the society.
We would like to recommend to the teams or team in charge of saving the paramos three main things. Firstly, that before going to legal instances and before having direct fighting with the companies exploiting the paramos, concentrate their efforts in making Colombians conscious of the importance of the paramos and the harm they are actually receiving. If they manage Colombians to take action on the matter, they will be responsible for giving the fight, saving millions in legal fights that are mostly fruitless. Secondly, to explore what important uses the country can give to the paramos, making them maybe new sources of income with their sustainable exploitation. Managed well, they could become one of the GDP's main contributors, taking into account fresh water is going to be each time scarcer. Lastly, focusing on giving some of the actual paramos smoke exporters, such as farmers that cultivate potatoes or have cows, sustainable activities for making a living and encourage them to take care of the paramos. There are actually some experiments that have been successful, such as raising goats, especially for meat purposes, so probably if they make more research into non-harmful practices, some interesting projects could flourish.